Here I have OnePlus 3 and let me show you how to set up this device. Let me show you how to go through the initializing setup process on the following phone. At the very beginning, let's choose your desired language. This is the full list of available languages that you can use. In my case, let me choose English. Let's choose your region, so in my case, for example, United States. You may also choose some vision settings and make here some changes, for example, the font size, display size. You can also turn on the talkback. Let's go back. You can choose emergency and make some emergency calls if you need something. Let's go back. If you are ready, let's choose let's go. Here you've got some font information and font settings that you can change. Let me tap next. Let me leave it enabled. As simple as that. Let's choose agree to the terms and conditions. You can insert SIM card, but you can also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. Let's tap skip. Here let me choose setup as a new. Let me have a fresh start, or if you would like to, you can also copy your data from one of the following phones, from the iPhone or the Android. Let me choose setup as a new. So here you can connect your device to one of the Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend this. So let me choose the one of the following Wi-Fi. Let me connect this. The phone is checking for updates. You can sign in into the Google account. It's also not necessary. You can skip this by choosing skip. So if you would like to, you can connect your device. You can do it in two ways. You can create an account or use the existing one. In my case, let me use the existing one. Tap next. So now it's time to enter the password. Choose next again right here. Let me tap agree to the following terms and conditions. The device is getting account information. Let's wait a few seconds. You can insert and add the fingerprint, or you can choose skip. You may also set the fingerprint later. Here you can enable or disable some Google services, for example, backup to Google Drive, help app find your location, improve location accuracy, or send system data. Let me agree to all of them. Here you've got the Google Assistant information. Let me tap next. Let me choose no thanks, in my case, to assistant permissions. Here you can add some settings, or you can choose all set and just wait for the welcome screen for the home screen, and that's it. You just activate your smartphone. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.